Guys, how do you like Kotlin? I mean, Kotlin's a relatively new language.
Um, I like it. I like it better than Java. I'm getting used to it. It's what our code base where I work at now, which is Shamrock Training, started out in Java. So we're slowly converting everything to Kotlin, plus every new activities in Kotlin. Um, yeah, it's a little bit easier to deal with than Java.
When you say activity, you're writing Android apps, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
So what prompted the decision to make the jump from Java to Kotlin?
That decision actually happened before I got there. I've been at this job 6 months, and I've sort of jumped into being the Android expert, even though this job has been the first place I've done Android development at, because that's one thing I've done at any place I've gone to is see which technology is neglected by the rest of the staff, and then take that on, like learn everything I can about it and become the expert in it. So like I can own something, I can own that part of the stack.
Yeah, that totally makes sense with your history of like seeing, oh, I can do this better, and this is a really underserved area, and I'm just gonna hop right into it and just like you said, own it. Um, Kotlin is slightly functional. It's certainly more functional than Java. Had you done any functional programming before?
In JavaScript, a lot in JavaScript. In a few of the React apps I created, we had at one job I worked at, we had a form generator that built forms out of data that was in the database dynamically. I had to use a lot of functional programming there to process that data to build the forms.
I built one of those as well, and it was all functional, and it was awesome.
Yeah, I really got into it. I like miss it now, like, kind of doing Kotlin all the time. Like there, yeah, you can do some functional stuff in there, but it wasn't like that. Like it seems so right. You know what I mean? Like it seems like this is the way code should work when you're doing it.
Exactly. When you go from an object oriented mindset to you switch over to functional, and you're like, oh my goodness gracious, this is incredible. This is so neat and clean, and I don't have to worry about all these side effects everywhere.